Hello children, welcome to Recorder Lesson. In today's lesson, we want to learn note A, B, G. We want to combine note A, B, and G together. A is long beat, B, G, A, B, G. They are short beat. So it goes like this: A, B, G, A, B, G. A, B, G, A, B, G. Children, are you ready to play? Let's go. Good. Can we try it again from the beginning? Very good. See you in the next class. Hello children. Welcome to today's lesson, Recorder Lesson. In today's lesson, we want to learn note GAB. Note GAB forms do, re, mi in the key of G major, which are the first three tonic solvers we are going to use for our first tune in Recorder. Now our first tune. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. Do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. See you in the next. Hello children, welcome to Recorder Lesson. In today's lesson, we want to continue with our second tune. All you need is to follow the beat with the tonic solver. 1 beat and 2 beats respectively. Now, let us try the tune. See you in the next lesson.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.